In this short video, I'll guide you on how to restore deleted WhatsApp messages using multiple methods. Losing important WhatsApp chats can be frustrating, especially if you didn't intend to delete them. But don't worry, I'll walk you through several ways to recover those lost messages. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users recover their WhatsApp messages on iPhone and Android. Together, we'll explore how to bring back your chats effortlessly. Stay with me until the end to discover a third-party tool that can help if all WhatsApp methods fail. Now let's get started on how to restore those deleted WhatsApp messages. The first method is restoring from a backup. If you regularly back up your chats, this process is straightforward. To start, open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Then tap Chats. Next, select Chat Backup. Observe and ensure your backup includes the deleted messages. To restore them, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. To uninstall WhatsApp, long press the WhatsApp icon, then select Delete or Uninstall. To reinstall it, head over to the App Store or Play Store to download it again. After installation, verify your phone number and tap Restore Chat History. This method works for both Google Drive on Android and iCloud on iPhone. If you haven't backed up recently, you can manually back up your chats before proceeding. Another way to restore deleted WhatsApp chats on Android is by using Notification History. To restore deleted WhatsApp messages on Android, enable Notification History on your device. This feature keeps a log of all incoming notifications, including WhatsApp messages, even if they're deleted from the chat. To activate it, go to Settings. Next, select Notifications. Then, select Notification History. Turn on Notification History. Once enabled, you can view deleted messages by checking the history log. If you're using an iPhone, you can restore deleted WhatsApp messages using an iTunes backup. To do this, connect your iPhone to a computer. Open iTunes and go to the device summary page. Select Restore Backup and choose a backup that includes your WhatsApp data. Keep in mind that this will restore all data from the backup, not just WhatsApp messages. Before we explore more fixes, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now let's continue to explore how to restore deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone and Android. If you haven't set up a backup, you can still retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages using a third-party tool like AltData WhatsApp Recovery. This software is designed to recover lost or deleted chats directly from your device, even if you didn't enable WhatsApp backups. To use it, download and install the software on your computer. Then, connect your phone via USB. The software will scan your device for any recoverable messages, allowing you to restore them easily. This method is particularly helpful for users who haven't backed up their data beforehand. For more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in. Next, select Chat Backup. Observe and ensure your backup. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.